I don't know how powdery this powder is. That was the stupidest saying on the face of the planet. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I am reviewing the Jeffree Star Magic Star Concealer and the Magic Star Setting Powder. And I am also doing a wear test. Just to let you guys know what I got initially, I did get C4. And I got this color because I really like a nice brightening effect under my eyes, so I figured I would try C4, and it actually, once I put it on and I put the powder on top, it was very close to my skin color, so I think I got the perfect color. I think if I were to have gotten C5, which unfortunately they were sold out of, it probably would have been the exact shade of my skin color and it wouldn't have brightened any. The powder that I got was translucent. It did very ever so slightly darken the concealer once I put it on. So both of these are $22 on Jeffree Star's website. Unfortunately, quite a few of the concealer shades are already sold out, and the powders, I believe there is 3 of them currently sold out as well. There is 30 shades plus a pure white and 2 color correctors, and there is 7 powder shades plus a translucent powder, which he claims was even better for a brightening effect. It does smell like cotton candy. It doesn't smell as heavily when you actually like open it up, and when you sniff it. But as you apply it, the scent really comes out. It does not linger on your face. I can't smell it anymore right now, but it definitely is there when you're sweeping it away. Hold your breath, y'all. I about died. I do show you guys further in the video half powdered, half unpowdered, so you can see what it looks like set and not set. It does give you a very natural finish. It's not shiny or satiny, but it's definitely not fully matte. It kind of has just a natural glow to it. I actually super duper love it. I don't have a blurring filter or skin filter or whatever they call it on my camera, so you guys can see all the details on my face. I am sorry, it is a very cloudy day today, so I also don't have any natural light backing me up in my sunroom, so you can see even more details on my face. I have dry skin, but if you guys would like to see the application process and me without eyebrows, then just keep watching. I'm going to put concealer under both eyes, and then I'm going to set half of my face so you guys can see the difference, and then I'm just going to set the rest of my face. That's a look. Good look. Alright, so I will set this half of my face over here, and this side we will keep unset so we can see how this powder looks. Okay, I don't think that's such a good thing to inhale, by the way. P.S. I have not sprayed it to set my face yet, but this is the powder, and this is no powder. So you guys can see set, not set. And if I come in pretty close, you guys can see how this concealer looks up under my eye and how it looks. Oh, ew. Oh, that's terrible. Okay, y'all, this is not crease proof. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Ew. That's disgusting. So what I'm going to do is set the rest of my face, do my eyebrows, and then we're going to see how contour, bronzer, and blush all sit on top of this makeup. Alright you guys, so now I'm going to add in contour, bronzer, blush, and highlight so we all can see how products blend into the powder. I do bake, and I'm gonna try and see if this is a good baking powder. So while it's sitting on my face, I will go ahead and do my blush and highlight. And the way that I create my contour is I go from the top of my ear and I make an invisible line down to the corner of my mouth, and that is where I will put my baking powder to create a nice sharp contour line. Now I'm going to go in with blush and highlighter. So now I'm going to go ahead and dust the bake off, and I will see what this looks like. It is actually a really nice soft contour line. It's not very sharp, which I don't really like super sharp. I just like some definition, so I actually really like that. I think that's really pretty. I ran out of setting spray, so I'm just using some Fix Plus to set my face with, and then we will zoom in real close so you guys can see how everything looks. And then I will come back tonight and I will do a check-in and see how all of this wore throughout the day. I will not be touching it up or buffing anything out to try and smooth anything out. This is going to be a wear test that has not been touched up, so it'll be an actual first impression. I am as zoomed in as I could be, and let's take a look at this. Here is the powder. Let's see. Here is my forehead, but my forehead looks pretty good. My cheek area looks beautiful. I really like the way that looked when I swept the bake off. My under eye is nice and bright, but here is underneath my eye. The mascara pretty much just ruined everything, but I'm sorry, y'all. All this right here looks nice and bright. Looks nice and smooth. My smile lines for right now actually look really good, you guys. Normally they are a lot deeper. So let's see how that wears throughout the day. It is 12:30, so let's see how this wears. I plan on wearing this for at least 10 hours. So I will be back here, and when I come back you will see it'll be a lot darker. I won't have as much light, but you will also get to see exactly how it looks without me touching anything up throughout the day. So I'll be right back. Okay, it is 9:05. So I have been wearing my makeup look for 9 hours. I can't remember when I started, y'all. I'm sorry. Forgive me. I think it was noon, but I can't remember. There's my forehead lines. They don't seem any different than earlier. It still looks really nice. On my cheek area, my smile lines are definitely deeper. You can see they've gotten a pretty big crease in them now, so that was to be expected. My smile lines are just my nose actually is breaking up right here on the sides. I haven't really touched my nose. I haven't blown it or anything. I'm not sick at all, so I haven't been touching my nose or anything today, but it is kind of breaking up here on the sides. It doesn't do that with the foundation that I wear, so I'm wondering if it's the addition of the powder. It's weird. Under eyes, they actually look pretty decent. It's not like breaking up or collecting anywhere in my lines, in my wrinkles, so that's really good. And this one, same thing. Like, it's not actually looking bad at all whatsoever. Now it is a little dark right in here, and you know what, I think to counteract that, if I were to put one of the lighter colors just right there and blend it out like Nikki Tutorials did in her video, I think that would have solved that issue. My chin looks really nice still. I mean, it still looks beautiful. Honestly, I'm just slightly more dewy looking. But you guys, I like it. I don't have any negative things to say about it. It's sitting the same way that all of my powders normally tend to sit on me after 9 hours, 10 hours of wear. So I think it still looks really beautiful. It still looks really flawless. It's not breaking up in too many spots, except maybe just here on the sides of my nose and my smile lines. Like, my forehead looks great. Right here looks great. Under eyes look great. Cheeks, great. I like it, you guys. If you guys are interested in other reviews, my friend Nessa and my friend London both have reviews of this on their channel. I will link their channels below and you guys can go take a look at those videos so you can see it on different skin types and also different skin tones. But I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!